Hello everyone, good morning from Group 9. Before we start, we will introduce ourselves. My name is Amanda Kamila, and the other members are Fatima Azahra, Maida Yasmin, and Safira Salsabila. We are here to explain about religion in Europe. Religion in Europe has been a major influence on today's society, art, culture, philosophy, and law. The largest religion in Europe is Christianity, but irreligion and practical secularization are strong. Three countries in southeastern Europe have Muslim majorities. Ancient European religion include veneration from deities such as Zeus. Modern revival movement of this religion include heathenism, Rodnovery, Romuva, Dridrai, Wicca, and others. Smaller religions include the Dharmic religions, Judaism, and some East Asian religions, which are found in their largest groups in Britain, France, and Clamicia. The following is a map of the most religious countries in Europe, with the diversity of religions that exist. Divided into several regions with description, the brighter the color, the smaller the appearance of those who believe in religion, and conversely, the darker the color on the map, the bigger it is people who believe the world's religions are important. And as you can see that, the countries in Southern Europe are more dominant, which means that many people in these countries adhere to their belief. But you don't have to worry, even though the European continent has a lot of beliefs, such as in Germany, where there is high tolerance among diverse people.
In Germany, Christian is the dominant religion. There is around 60% of population in Germany are Christian. But in Germany, Christians are divided into three types. There is Catholic, Protestant, and Orthodox Christian. As you can see in the graphic of Germany religious affiliation on 20 and 15, 29% of population in Germany are Catholic, 27% are Protestant, 1.9% are Orthodox Christian, 4.4% are Muslim, and 37% are others. What others means? That means there is people who believe there is some sort of spirit or life force, and there is people who don't believe there is any sort of spirit, God, or life force, or commonly referred to as atheists. In Germany, also there is people who have a view that the presence or absence of God or supernatural things is something that is unknown or cannot be known, or also called as agnosticism. There are Buddhists, Hindus, Sikhs, and other religions too. But the population is less than 1% of the total population of Germany. Most of the adherents of this religion are immigrants from Asian countries. In the census on 2011, who depicted on the map, the blue is the Protestant plurality, the green is the Catholic plurality, the red is non-religious or unaffiliated plurality, and the darker shades indicated a majority between 50 and 75%. And the darker shades indicated an absolute majority with more than 75%. Demographics of religion in Germany vary greatly by region and age. Non-religious people represent the majority in some of Germany, major cities including Berlin and Hamburg, and the absolute majority of 70 to 89% in the eastern states of what between 1949 and 1990 used to be as Germany. By contrast, rural areas of the western states of what in the same period used to be West Germany are more religious, and some rural areas are highly religious. The followers of the Protestant Church in Germany are concentrated in the north and east, like Schleswig-Holstein and Niedersachsen, while Catholic followers are mostly in the south and west, like Saarland and Bavaria. And the population who don't belong to any religious group are concentrated on the territory of the former Germanic state. Some of them are adherents of atheism and agnosticism, like in Mecklenburg-Vorpommern and East Berlin.
Percentage of religion by state. In 2016, the Survey Politbarometer provided data regarding religion in each of the states of Germany. Christianity is the dominant religion of Western Germany, excluding Hamburg, which has non-religious plurality. Northern Germany has traditionally been dominated by Protestantism, especially Lutheranism. The two northernmost provinces of Schleswig-Holstein and Lower Saxony have the largest percentage of self-reported Lutherans in Germany. Southern Germany has a Catholic majority, but also a significant Lutheran Protestant population. Irreligion is predominant in Eastern Germany, which was the least religious region among 30 countries surveyed in a study in 2012. Religion in Germany. Christianity is the largest religion in Germany and was introduced to the area of modern Germany with the conversion of the first Germanic tribes in the 4th century. Islam is the largest non-Christian religion in the country. Buddhists are the third largest group of believers in Germany. As of 2019, 32.3 million of the Germans are irreligious. There are 100,000 Hindus living in Germany. About 600,000 Jews live in Germany. Opinions of ethnic and religious minorities. In principle, most Eastern Europeans, as well as even larger numbers in Western Europe and the United States, believe in the idea of a pluralistic society. Majorities in every country surveyed agree that it is a good thing for any society to be made up of people from different races, religions, and cultures. Also in the Czech Republic, 55% agree, Bulgaria 53%, Ukraine 52%, Lithuania 51%, Germany 85%, and many more. Significant minorities in Eastern Europe, including more than 1/4 in 5 of the nations surveyed, continue to voice negative attitude toward Jews. In Lithuania and Hungary, anti-Jewish sentiments are much more common now than in 1991. Negative reactions are directed at Muslims in several countries, both in Eastern and Western Europe. Roughly 7 in 10 Italians express a negative opinion of Muslims, as do nearly half in Spain. Negative views are less common in Britain. Eastern European attitudes. In Bulgaria, opinions of Roma and Turks have become less negative, although a majority, 56%, continue to express an unfavorable view of Roma, and more than 1/4, 28%, say this about Turks. About 1 in 5, 21%, have a negative opinion of Muslim Bulgarians, and 15% give Jews a negative rating. Attitudes in the former Soviet republics. In several instances, opinions of ethnic and religious minorities have become more negative since the end of communism in the 3 former Soviet republics surveyed. Notably, Russian views about the dominant ethnic groups in several former republics of the Soviet Union are more negative now than they were in 1991. More Russians now hold negative opinions of Ukrainians. 32% feel this way, compared with 7% in 1991. Similarly, unfavorable things for Lithuanians have increased in Russia from 28% in 1991 to 38% today. German attitudes. Negative ratings for Turks, Roma, and Poles have declined by double digits in the East and the West. and in West Germany, unfavorable ratings for Jews have dropped steadily from 27% in 1991 to 9% today. Negative views toward Jews were already low in East Germany in 1991 and have decreased further to 7% in the current survey. Attitudes in Western Europe and the US. All groups tested in the current survey in the United States receive positive marks, nearly 9 in 10. 89% Americans have a favorable view of whites, who comprise a majority of the country, and about as many have a positive opinion of blacks, 86%. Majorities also rate Asians, 81%, and Hispanics, 77% favorably.
My name is Maida Yasmin Yuananto, and I am here to explain about the intolerant group in Germany. Racism always happens in every country in Europe, and Germany is one of those countries. This racism keeps growing in Germany, which used to have racism history and the slaughter of Jews. One of the intolerant groups is neo-Nazi, and it is also an anti-Muslim group. 2 days before Ramadan started, people who are part of neo-Nazi movement did a huge demonstration. They tried to arrest the immigrants and Muslim community, which they consider as the destroyer of German culture. Even though there are many Germans who could think rationally and did not corner the Muslim, there are a number of mosques that were closed, which shows how negative some Germans think towards Muslims. In addition, in a span of 3 months, there were about 15 mosques that got attacked since April 2020. They also physically attacked Muslims in a street or public place. So, how can a Muslim live their life in Germany? Is it difficult to live as a Muslim in Germany? Besides the discrimination toward the minority, I would like to explain how a Muslim lives their daily life in Germany. Germany is not a Muslim country, which is why it is hard to find a mosque, and the distance between one mosque to another is really far. It gives a Muslim hard time to find a place for them to pray, and they sometimes have to pray in a changing room or in a corner of a room. Moreover, there is no azan, and we as a Muslim have to be aware of the praying time because there is no break time that is meant especially for praying. In Ramadan, which is a fasting month, it will be hard for us because most Germans do not fast, and there are lots of restaurants that are open in daytime. However, during Eid, the Muslims usually gather in one mosque to celebrate the Eid together. There are also some of them who invite each other to their houses. About the halal food, we do not have to worry because there are many halal restaurants and stores that sell halal ingredients in the big cities of Germany. But it will be hard for those who live in small cities.